egy szozmona. Don vola saliu borauta, kitek curce corona. Pințalea pixanța de lichide, schelea roghira bona. Din vola ce picer, panțalitorui pavona.
What do you mean Ganna Sudarchana? Exam, do you know the meaning of Goan?
Goan muncha goan karnu.
Oh, can you spell Goan?
Oh, what a silly question it is.
Alright, then spell it.
G-O-A-N.
G-O-A-N Goan. Kitla fast pen सांगले. पण तू जाणे त्या एका उत्तरा कितलो खोडेगार meaning असतो तो? Do you know that G stands for what?
G stands for garden.
Na, garden नुई. G stands for garden like you.
ए बोया सांगता तुका बरे सांगता तुझा meaning कितें तो?
Okay. Now I'll tell you that G stands for what? G stands for greatest, O stands for of, A stands for all, and N stands for nation. That means Goan. Goans are greatest of all nations. Sozmole.
London, New York, Africa, now I love you.
Nana tu bonium nai tonagata de muirauta de vakio.
I hate you, oh stupid ignorant Goan.
Rauta bonagai Goan sazo kining di dasano. G-O-A-N stands for